Hey, I'm Seth with Land the House. Fall has arrived, which means it's time for the leaves to start sloughing off the trees and go straight into my gutters. I'm going to be installing a product today called Gutter Guard from the company Gutter Glove. It's just a fine mesh that goes into the gutter here and prevents the leaves from going in, but allows the water, the rainwater, to just slide right in there. So let's head down here and I'll show you what this product looks like. I have 80 feet here of Gutter Guard. Here's what it looks like on the packaging. Gutter Guard by Gutter Glove, stainless steel micro mesh, gutter protection, 80 foot. So my dad ordered this product. He got, I think, 120 feet, so 2 boxes, and they sent him 3. So he calls up the sales rep there and says, hey, I've got 1 box too many. And the person says, you can put it in the mail and return it or not. It's up to you. And so here we are. My dad gave it to me. But it's a fine mesh, and it is designed to snap to a gutter really quick and easy. And we will be installing this. This one's a little bit bent there on the top, but anyway, so just wanted to say that I did not purchase this product, but my dad did, and he gave me the excess to work with here. We've got a house that is 76 foot, and so this 80 foot will do this house on the back. So the front also have to clean out leaves and all that, but at least we'll have half protection. Let's check out the anatomy of a gutter guard here. So the front side, let's see, it will go this way right here, as if this were the outside of the house. It has a little lip on it. Hopefully it translates for the camera there. And that kind of stops the water just enough to go into the gutter guard. And if you turn it over, it's got a little adhesive strip that I'll be pulling off there, a little 3M adhesive. And that allows it to adhere to the gutter. It's a nice dry day today, so it should do quite well. And we'll also be cutting down the ends on this a little bit to allow this to curve into the gutter and hopefully prevent any kind of insects from making homes up in here. So anyway, let's take this up here and get the first piece installed. The gutter on the back of my house here is 1 straight shot of a 76 foot run. So we'll only have to cut down the 2 ends to get them to fit. So I want to make sure that this big lip right here is facing the front, which means the rest of this is going to have to fit up under the shingles just a little bit. So we'll get that done, but I'm going to have to move this ladder a touch, and then we'll need to mark and cut the end to fit. And it looks like if we cut about 3 inches off of the end, saving the mesh in the middle, it will slip down in there quite nicely. Let's go ahead and do that, and we will have this first piece good to go. Okay, I'm just going to be using the angle grinder here to cut off about 3 inches on both of these aluminum pieces, saving the stainless steel mesh here in the middle. We'll go ahead and put on some safety equipment because it's always wise to do that when working with the angle grinder. Earplugs, and then at least goggles, but I also wear a mask because I've had some close calls with the angle grinder. I have about half of the house done now. I waited to this point to show you what I was doing because I'm now on a ladder on the porch, and it's much easier to work with than having the ladder up against the gutter. So the first thing I'm doing, which is probably the most difficult thing of the whole bit, is pulling the little red film off of this sticky portion. It's just kind of difficult to get it to start sometimes. Yeah. All right, there we go. Once I have that started, I just kind of scoop it up under the shingles a little bit. I have to get close and personal with you. There we go. And then I just lift this so it's between the house and the shingle, like that. Okay. Okay, once you have the whole strip under the shingle, you can just pop it into place there, like that, and then just pull the little red tab And then what I'm doing is just giving it a little push down here, and it kind of sets that adhesive in. Seems to make a nice, good seal. And basically that's all I'm doing, all the way down. So let me continue with the next 30 feet or so, and we'll be done. I just finished getting the gutter guards installed. They looked pretty good. I had a couple spots that look like this, where there's a slight gap between one and the next, but it's very subtle. I don't think it'll let much into the gutter. So the next time it rains, I will turn the camera on and we'll see how well this thing pulls the water in and then sheds leaves off. So it's not raining in about 2 weeks, so hopefully we'll get a good rain here in the next little bit. It's been a couple of days since I got the gutter guards installed, and we're having a nice little rain. I thought I would bring the GoPro outside and get you up here, hopefully so you can see what's happening with the rain, but it's doing just as it should. All right, let me get wet here. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so far everything is doing quite well. It's sloughing the leaves off as it should and doing well. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out this product, I'll try to put some links down below. Like I said before, I didn't buy this. It was extra that my dad had, so I have no affiliate with this product. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.